What if I told you that the biggest distraction in your academic life fits in the palm of your hands? Every day, the average teenager spends hours scrolling on social media. We open our phones just for 5 minutes, and suddenly an hour is gone. But here's the real question. Is social media destroying our academic performance, or are we just using it the wrong way? Today, I want to share one big idea. Social media is not an enemy to academic success. Mismanagement is. Social media can easily distract us. We check one notification, then another, and suddenly we lose focus. This also affects our sleep, and when we lack sleep, our grades suffer. The problem is not social media itself, the problem is how we manage it. Many students say that they do not have time to study, but when we check their screen time, we can see hours spent scrolling. Even an hour focused on studying can make a difference. It is not about having more time, it's about using your time wisely. Social media shapes our daily lives. When we keep switching between apps, our brain gets used to shorter attention span. But studying needs more focus. And if we practice focusing more, we can improve our performance in school. But social media is not all bad. It gives us access to tutorials, study groups, and other helpful information. We can learn new skills and connect with classmates easily. With proper use, social media can actually support our learning. In using social media, we just need balance. There is time to relax, and there is time for work. When we balance both, we avoid stress and stay productive. So, what should we do? First, set limits when studying. Second, turn off notifications when doing important tasks. Third, use social media with a purpose, not just out of habit. When we can control it, it becomes a tool, not a distraction. In the end, it comes down to self discipline. No one controls our choices but us. We decide whether to scroll or to study. If we choose long term goals over short term distractions, we build better habits and better results. So the next time you open up your phone, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, am I scrolling or am I succeeding? We cannot control the technology around us, but we can control how we use it. Let's choose to use it with a purpose. Thank you.